namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you are having an amazing day. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is about your next chapter. So that is going to be the reading for you guys today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So I have 3 objects here for you guys, 3 piles. So select one that calls to you intuitively. Select. Okay, so this is for group number 1, Snowflake Obsidian. Group number 2, it's coins. And for group number 3, it's this pendulum, chakra pendulum. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, and let go of all the worries, and then select a object or a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box, and I'm gonna start with group number 1. Please, hello group number 1. If you chose the Snowflake Obsidian, let's see what is your message, what is this next chapter for you guys. So the first card is playfulness. Okay, with this playfulness card, what I'm getting is Spirit is saying me that don't take all your worries and stress to the next chapter of your life. So embrace playfulness like a child. Children are so playful, like they don't stress about their exams. Like my son, if there is an exam, he has no problem, he will not study. I have to make him study because he is not afraid, he is just playing, he is in his mood, and I'm the one stressing about his exams, you know. So it's that is the thing. Children don't do that, right? They don't have like that fear energy, they don't stress, they are so cool and chill. So right now Spirit is saying that you need to be in that energy. The more playful you are, the more it will be easy to manifest the things you want in your life. The more you will resist things, the more you will control things, the harder it will be. Okay, so embrace playfulness, be like this child energy, like play, do things that you love. Like if you want to go out and chase the butterfly, go chase the butterfly. Like a lot of transformation is there for you guys, but definitely you need to let go of that serious energy, let go of that stress, watch some movies, comedy movies, do something that is healthy, right? Like for some of you it's like do exercise, maybe through exercise you can release your stress. I don't know if I feel like there is little bit of stress here. Maybe your exams are near, or maybe you're very stressful about your exams, or you're very stressful about your career growth, or whatever it is. The more you stress, the more it will be harder for you guys. So your Spirit guides, angel wants you to know that embrace playfulness, be more playful, connect with universe, connect with nature. The what you give to the universe, that is what you receive. If you give stress, you will receive stress. So that is what, like you need to have this balance of energies, right? So sometimes you might be doing lot of work and you will not relax, and sometimes you relax and you don't do anything. So there should be a balance here, right? So sometimes I feel when we force things, you know, like if you want to write an essay and you're forcing it, it's not happening. So take a break, take a 15 minutes break, meditate and come back. You will be able to write it down, right? So you need to have that balance. So for example, if you lose something and we try to find it all over the place and we get stressed, we never find that thing. So when we relax, sit back, and the next day when we'll search for that thing, we'll get it. So that is that energy. So don't force things, don't try to resist things, don't try to control anyone. So let it go. Get into this playful energy, okay? Don't take your stress to your next chapter, okay? For some of you, you are worried about your exams. I'm getting this. So worrying will do nothing, okay? So, oh wow, yeah, you're magicians, you're perfect manifestors. And look, Spirit is not giving you information right now. I feel like they have kept, yeah, I feel like they are not giving you messages, right? Complete picture. They're not showing the complete picture. They are hiding a lot of things because there are a lot of things, unexpected things will come into light, but you need to change your vibration right now. You need to get into more playful energy. The more your energy is light, the more it will be easy for you to receive messages. The more you are resisting things, you're not letting go of things, that time you will not receive it. It will be more harder for you guys. So yeah, there is a lot of mystery. Like I feel like spirit is not giving you the messages, right? You want to know something and spirit is like keeping it away. Maybe at the correct time you will receive this message. I'm getting this message for you guys. Yeah, for your exam also there is something you need to know and you are not able to know. So something is like mysterious, maybe about a person, about your situation, whatever it is. Okay, but when you will be in this playful energy, that is when you will receive this wisdom. Okay, this guidance. So yeah, I have to say that. So change your, yeah, don't take that stress with you. Okay, because your next chapter of your life looks like chill. You're going to enjoy life. I feel like you're not going to take that stress, and it's an advice also from spirit to not take that stress to your next phase. I'm seeing that you will be graduating. If you're worried about your exams or something like that, if you're, yeah, I feel like you will be graduating. You're going to be in this next place, like one step ahead you will be. Okay, you're like with these mountains, right? You're overcoming the obstacles. So be resilient, take action, at the same time be balanced, right? Take breaks in between. Break when you are working hard, take breaks. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, with this I feel like, you know, so some of you are in toxic environment, and because of that you are not able to be in this, you're not seeing the light, right? Sometimes because maybe you are feeling stuck in a place, but you can move out. Okay, connect with your own divinity. Yeah, sometimes it's very difficult when people around you are not so supportive or they are very negative. So I feel some of you are in this space, but I feel like you will be out. For some of you, maybe you will be traveling away, you will be moving out from that place. Maybe if the career situation is not good, if you're in a job there where there are a lot of people who are not sympathetic, they are giving you a lot of work, maybe you will be coming out of that. And yeah, definitely I see you are yeah, in this next chapter you will not be in an environment where there are people not good people, you know, toxic people. You're getting out of this toxic environment, I have to say that. Yeah, things are going to get balanced. Yeah, creative change realizes your dreams. So yeah, you're very creative people. So for some of you it's like you will be quitting a job and doing something very creative. Okay, so go for it. You have this idea, take that idea. So yeah, maybe for some of you I clearly feel a toxic environment, a toxic work environment is there. People are not so good. So yeah, you will be out of that. This next chapter of your life, you're not going to be in an environment where there are people who bad mouth you or gossip about you. You're going to do something by yourself, or maybe I even feel like that you will get into an environment where people will support you. Okay, there is a change there. Okay, that is changing. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. For some of you it's like a creative thing. You will start a creative thing, and this thing will get monetized or something like that. Maybe you will work on your craft or art. This will give you money, like a Ace of Pentacles is like a door of abundance is opening for you guys. Like money wise, things are getting better. For some of you, maybe you do part-time job, or maybe you're quitting this part-time job and doing something creative. You're doing something from your home, or maybe there is a possibility of a business idea also, or maybe something, or maybe you're getting into a job that is very creative, and the people will be very supportive there. Okay, so yeah, a good job. Yeah, a good job, and this job will give you good money. I feel like there is a balance coming. And for some of you it's like you're getting out of a relationship that is toxic, maybe a friend group, getting out of toxic relationship, getting out of toxic habits. Yeah, for some of you it's like your own toxic habits, you're getting out of it, like embracing more playfulness. Like maybe you are very all the time you're very stressed about things. You're getting out of your head right now, you're grounding your energy. Okay, but definitely if you're struggling financially, I see finances wise also there is little bit relief for you guys. Yeah, okay, yeah, you will be able to do make money by doing something that you love. Right now I feel like you're doing something that you don't love, and because of that you're very stressed. So if you're manifesting a new job, if you're manifesting something good that you want to do, release that stress, release that negativity, and get more into this playful energy. And when you will be in this playful energy, you will get a lot of ideas, lot of creative ideas to make money, creative ideas to get out of a situation that you don't want to be in, right? So yeah, and things will be balanced. Wow, Knight of Fire again. Passion, you have a passion, you want to move forward. For some of you it's like you're quitting a job, moving into a new job, or traveling somewhere else, moving out of a place that is not good. Definitely doing something that is different from others. Okay, you're not doing, maybe your parents wants you to do a certain course. You're not going to do anything. You are not going to do something that is not good for you. Like, you're not letting other people control you. I feel like that. Or maybe this is an advice: don't let other people control you. Do something that you are passionate. Okay, otherwise you will regret it later. So do something that you love. Don't do something that other people love. Or in the case of relationship also, don't get into a relationship that, you know, if you're getting into a relationship for the sake of other people. Maybe sometimes people ask you if you have a when are you getting married, blah blah blah. So for the sake of other people, don't do anything. Okay, when you're ready, do that thing. Okay, that is very important. I feel like maybe for some of you, you have a lot of pressure from other people to do this, or maybe get pregnant, or there is so much pressure nowadays, right? Other people are making this much money, when you will make this, or what are you doing for your living, like blah blah blah, so many things, right? So for you guys, it's like you're stressing because of it, right? Oh, what will they think? You don't have to think about other people right now. Just focus on your energy. Let all the stress, release that stress, get into more playful energy. And when you are in this playful energy, that is when the ideas will come. A lot of ideas you will get, and these ideas will give you a lot of abundance, and you will be ready to move forward. So do something that you're passionate for. And for some of you, it's like a fire sign. Maybe a friend, or maybe you will be collaborating with a fire sign. That is also, I'm feeling like Leo, Sag, Aries. This person will be very passionate. They will help you. Okay, there will be a balance here. If it's a friend, I feel like the friendship will be very balanced. Okay, let's see. Study. Yeah. Okay, for some of you, it's about, you need to, so with this creative thing, you're very creative. At the same time, this thing will, I told you about study something, right? Yeah. Okay, I need to clarify this. What is the study about? I'm just going to clarify it. What is the study about? For some of you, you want to do some new courses. Maybe, you're very creative, but at the same time, to improve this creativity, like maybe for example, you are a good artist. Maybe you need to take an online course so you can get better at it, right? So for some of you, that can be the thing. Maybe you need to do some courses, right? We have Page of Fire. Take some courses, learn about it. So if you want to do something new, maybe if you want to start a business, take some courses on how to start it, what are the things that you need to keep in mind while starting a business. Learn about it, research about it, ask people who are good at it, so that will help you. And maybe there is a fire sign who will help you with this, or maybe you are fire sign. Okay, because there is 2 fire signs here. Fire sign, I'm getting Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here, like learning, lot of creativity for you guys. You want to do something creative. You want to get out of this 9-to-5 job. For some of you, you're not so happy about it. Maybe you want to do something creative. So you are good at it, but for some of you, it's like you need to take an extra course for it, so you can get more better at it, or maybe you can become masters at it. So it's okay to take an online course. So that is what I'm getting for group number 1. Let's see the charms. Oh, we have 4 and 5, right? 11. Sorry. 9. Wow. Maybe 11 number is also important, because I was feeling justice. Like you will get the justice. Okay. Yeah, karma, balancing of your karma, because we have balance here, justice, balance. Yeah, end of a karmic situation, I feel like. Or maybe I told you, what you give you receive back, so that's the law of karma, right? So that is what I feel. And we have number 9, completion of a cycle, start of something new. Yeah, learning, we have books again, learning new things, getting good at it, practicing, studying about it. Okay, yeah, happiness, look, we have to you will be very happy about this thing, because this thing will give you money. Yeah, unicorn. So flying high, magical things. If you believe in magic, you will receive that magic. So yeah, if you don't believe, you will not. So it's time to start believing in magic. We have X, let go of the past energy, it's time for new energies. And we have 9 number, completion. For some of you, you're graduating. Definitely I see a graduation for you, completing a course, getting into into a new area of study. For some of you, like doing PhD, higher studies also, I feel like. And for others, it's like creating something new. Go for it, guys. If you want to take an extra course, go for it, take it, because you will be very good at it. If you want to start a business, go for ahead, do some study, do some research, go for it. And yeah, as I told you, what you think, your thoughts are very powerful. So if you have positive thoughts, you will receive that positivity back. Yeah, this law of karma, I'm getting 2 things for you guys, law of karma and law of cause and effect. If you want to get deeper into it, do research about it. These are the 2 things, right? And if you believe it, then only you will see it, right? So that is also, I feel like you should have that quote, like, if you believe in magic, you will see it. The people who don't believe in magic, they will never see it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Like love, lot of love energy. You will be loving your passion. This passion of yours will be your love. Okay, so yeah, camera. Okay, for some of you, it's like you might be making videos or something like that. Maybe you will be making videos about of your craft or something like that, and posting it online, right? Or maybe for some of you, photography is also something I see. Yeah, lot of opportunities through this craft, through this creative thing. You will get a lot of opportunities. Your business also, maybe you will sell some photos or photographs, or maybe I don't know, but something about that, photos. And then we have star. Oh, wish is coming true. Yeah, wish fulfillment. Yeah, you're going to be recognized for your work. That is what I feel. So yeah, attachment. You need to let go of I told you, get into this more playful energy. Attachment, if you are attached to something, some habits of you, it's time to let go of that. Maybe for some of you, you have this plan, you want to pursue something, like you want to do PhD, but you are so afraid of your finances or something like that, so you're not doing it. So you have something in your mind, you want to do something creative, at the same time you're worrying about your finances or something like that. So it's like you need to let go of that attachment and do what you want to do, what you feel like. Okay, maybe some of you are very worried about your career, so like be playful. That is the thing, that is your energy. You need to be more playful, and when you're playful, that is when you will get creative ideas, creative solution to your problem. Okay, so that's it. Bye. Lovelies, hello group number 2. If you chose this coins, let's see what is your reading, what is your next chapter. I'm going to do the charms also, so stay tuned. So let's start your reading for group number 2. You have focus, wizard of the woods. Okay, so magicians. Pile number 2 is always about magic. So last 2 readings were also about that. So if you have been constantly choosing pile number 2, so this is the strongest message that if you are manifesting something right now, that is going to manifest. If you're doing that rituals, that is going to come true for you guys. Okay, a lot of manifestations are going to come. And then focus. With this word focus, you need to focus on your goals, on your ideas, and move forward with it. So there might be some obstacles. Yeah, sometimes small obstacles will come. That doesn't mean that you have to back off. So keep on going, keep on moving forward with your goals. And I feel like there is some kind of raise leveling up for you guys. So if you are working for someone, I feel like your position, you will have a better position in your job. And if you don't have a job right now, if you're wanting a job, I feel like a good job is coming your way. And for many of you, I feel like there will be people coming to you for advice, for guidance. Okay, because you have a lot of wisdom. Even if you're in your 20s, or even if you're teenagers, I don't know, but people will come for you. For they will know, they know that you have advice, you have so much of wisdom. So yeah, because I feel like you're an old soul, right? So yeah, you have a lot of wisdom. So so don't be surprised if older people will come for advice. Give them the advice, it's okay. Sometimes we feel like, oh, how can I give them advice because they are so older than me. Don't worry, because the wisdom you have, they don't have, right? So yeah, I feel like that. If you're older, yes, you're going to give a lot of wisdom to your younger people. That is also there. So yeah, age is not a concern here. Okay, so whatever age you are an old soul. You have a lot of wisdom to give. A lot of people, expect a lot of people coming towards you for guidance, for advice. Okay, so yeah, people, you are, I feel like this pile is like, you are here to spread positivity. Okay, okay, you're here to spread positivity. You're the light workers. You are the one. Okay, you're the one who is here to spread the magic, to raise the vibration of our collective. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, yeah, I feel a lot of changes for you guys with this 50 number, like 360 degree shift for you guys. A lot of changes. Okay, you're not going to be the same person anymore. So don't take your past with you. Release it, move forward, because your future is very beautiful. And keep on focusing on your goals, keep on moving forward with your plans, because all the things that you want to manifest in your life will manifest. Okay. Oh, second house assets. Yeah, financial growth definitely is coming for you guys. There will be a lot of raise in your finances. For some of you, raise in your salary. Your bank account will be good. Like, you will be buying a lot of luxurious stuff. For some of you, if you are interested in that, yes, you will be buying that. But I would say that spend your money wisely. If it's possible, consult a financial advisor or something. If you're investing in something, that will be very good for you guys. So yeah, if you're saving up for your new home, I see that is also coming true. Maybe for some of you, you will move homes to a bigger home, like a bigger home. That is also I see. Better, your living situation is going to get better, for sure. So I would say, like don't buy a lot of stuff. And if you have like a lot of stuff that you don't use, it's do decluttering. Okay, sometimes there are dresses that we don't wear, but at the same time we have problem letting it go. So it's better to give it to someone who will use that dress. Okay, so don't keep things that you don't use, like give it to charity or give the things, like don't stuff a lot of things. I'm feeling like that is very important here for you guys. But definitely there is leveling up for you guys in your finances. Definitely there is growth, there is stability, because second house assets is all about our money or our stability, right, our security. So yeah, good home life, yeah, good home life, I feel like. But don't buy too many stuff. Okay, so a lot of abundance, materialistic abundance is there for you guys this next chapter of your life. Okay, so don't be, for some of you it's like you have if you have fear spending your money, don't be fear, because money is energy. Yeah, so don't be so sometimes we fear to spend money. We have fear, well, oh, if I spend this much money, will I get it back? Don't have that fear, because you will get it. And Give gratitude to the divine. If it's possible, do some charity work, because I feel like you will have it. Yeah, if you don't have it now, definitely you are having it, you will have. Okay, so next one is like, yeah, you're flying high, guys. For some of you, relocation, as I said, new home, movement forward, moving forward in your life, financially moving forward, in career wise moving forward, leveling up, as I told you, leveling up. So stay true to your heart desire and keep nature in your heart and home. Okay, so again, we have like second house, and it is Taurus, right? And it's all about an earth, right? It's an earth sign, so it's about to be grounded, ground your energy, connect with nature, do something that is true to you. So don't do something that you don't like, because you will not enjoy it. So be your authentic self. Did I mention that before? To be your authentic self. If like someone comes for advice, give your true advice. Don't do something. Sometimes what happens when people come to us and seek advice, sometimes we lie to them to make them feel better. Don't do that. Be your authentic self. Okay. So yeah, you don't have to do that. Give like the advice that is true to you, that is good for them. Okay, sometimes in order to make other people happy, we lie. Don't do that. Okay, yeah, you're flying high, you're leveling up. That is what I feel like for you guys. Let's see. Wow, look at this frog. Prosperity. Let go of the past and embrace change. I told you there is a lot of changes coming. Let go of the past. Don't carry your past baggages, your stress to your future, because yeah, don't do that. Opportunities are close at hand. Hop into this new day with joy, abundance, and good fortune await you. So I told you, like, a lot of good fortune, wealth, increase in your wealth, increasing in your like good lifestyle. That is what I feel like. Maybe for some of you, you will be changing your wardrobe. You might be changing your style, taking care of yourself, and let go of the people like from your past who is not so good, right? So yeah, because this is a new life, right? You're hopping into something new, something better. It's a better life for you guys. So if you are, so whatever your condition is right now, you're going to have something better. Okay, yeah. Oh, look, I told you old soul, because yeah, look at this person he's so wise, right? So yeah, you're an old soul. Walk through life with confidence and grace. You have power from beyond the world. Focus on what you really want. Focus. Again, the word focus, right? So focus on the things that you want. Your energy flows where your focus is, right? So focus on the things that you want in your life to manifest. Don't focus on the things that you don't want to manifest. So that's why I told you, let go of the past. Let go of the past thing that is not important to you guys. Let go of that past hurt. Let go of the past people who have hurted you. Like, forgive them, move forward, because this is a new life for you guys. This is a very like leveling up, right? So you don't need that. And be confident. Confidence is your key to success. You're very good communicators also, I feel like. So maybe there will be people who will tell you that you don't communicate that well, that your language is not good. Whatever they say, you keep on working on your skill. Okay, don't let other people sometimes what happens is, like, because of other people we give up. Don't do that. Okay, remember, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve, right? Set your mind to it and go for it, because no one can come in your way. The only person that will come, that is you, your own thoughts. That is the thing, right? Understand that here, because your new chapter is beautiful. So yeah. Wow, Ace of Water. For some of you, I told you, new home, leveling up, emotional satisfaction, new love life, new people, new friendships. Yeah, falling in love. Okay, wow, falling in love. And we have this new home. I told you, new home, right? Spiritual growth. Yeah, intuition is going to increase. Spiritual growth is there. Relationships. So if you are already married, I'm sure that your marriage will be more more blissful, more happiness, because you're getting wiser and wiser. So you will have good advice, and when we have that wisdom, we change our lives, right? You're very aware, right? So yeah, if you're single, definitely there is a person coming your way. Okay, I feel like that this is going to be a spiritual connection. You two will vibe very easily. So when you will meet this person, I feel like that you will know it in your gut. Yeah, that this is the one. Okay. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you will move in with this person. That is also quite possible. Like getting married for some of you, getting married, moving in with them, enjoying a good home life. Yeah, for some of you, it's like your partner is going to be very wealthy. Okay, in that area also you will be like so leveling up. I see like that also. Maybe your partner will help you in your career. That is also quite possible. Let's see. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is a very stable energy. It's slow moving energy though, but it's very stable. So pile number 2, things might be slow for you guys, but it's going to be stable. You're not going to climb that ladder in 10 seconds. You will take your time, but remember, slow and steady wins the race, right? We know the story of the tortoise and the rabbit, right? We know that. So that is your case. So go slow and you will win the race, and you will have all the stability and security in your life. So you don't have to be very fast. Sometimes we become very impatient, so don't let your impatience come in between. Okay, because only, as I told you, only the person that will come in between your dreams is you, your own impatience. Okay, no one else can do that. Right? So remember that. Oh, spiritual teacher. Okay, for some of you, you are the one. You have a lot of wisdom. I told you have a lot of wisdom. People will be coming to you for advice. You're going to take your meditation seriously. You're going to meditate. For some of you, I even feel like that maybe you are changing your career. You're becoming spiritual teachers. You're doing something with tarot, or you're motivational teachers, motivating people. That is also quite possible. For others, you will have a spiritual teacher who will come into your life, who will help you. Maybe through YouTube, you will read, through YouTube you can meet spiritual teachers. Through books you can get the guidance of other people. You don't have to meet in person, right? Maybe through online classes also it's possible, but definitely someone is coming into your life for guidance. And for some of you, it's you who you will give guidance to other people, right? But it's not necessary you have to be a spiritual teacher. You can be a mother and you can guide your children, right? That is also enough. So yeah, but there is a lot of growth for you guys, personal growth. That is the thing. You're growing personally. You're flying above all your obstacles. That is what I feel. I'm seeing like maybe for some of you, travel is there. You're relocating to some new place, new home, new love life. If your marriage, like if you have certain problems in your marriage, that is like coming to an end. You're understanding each other. Okay, like a lot of prosperity, lot of growth, lot of happiness, lot of wisdom, lot of shadow work also for you guys. Okay, you are changing your own life. No one else is doing that for you guys. You are the one who's changing. You're understanding the concept of universe. You're understanding, you're reading, you're learning a lot of things, and you're applying that into your life. And because of that, this is all coming for you guys. Okay, so it's you who is making this happen, right? So yeah, and I feel like many of you need to get out of, I feel like with the spiritual teacher, I'm getting a message that for some of you, there is a limited belief that you need to let go of. Okay, maybe because of your you might have been raised in a very religious place, like your parents were very religious, and because of that you have some limited beliefs. Maybe you need to let go of that also. Don't carry that with you. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let's see the charms for you guys for group number 2, next chapter of your life. Oh, you got a lot of words. We have 5 and 6. Yeah, leveling up. 5 changes. 6 is about harmony. like a lot of changes in your relationships, not only like love relationships. I feel like it's in family also, a lot of changes will be there, like harmony, people are coming together, because 6 number is all about harmony. For some of you, you will be meeting your soulmate, okay, and maybe for some of you, your soulmate can be an earth sign, because we have Taurus and yeah, Capricorn and Virgo energy is there, or maybe in water sign also is possible, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But definitely changes. If you have been financially, if you have felt that lack energy, that is going away, you're coming into harmony. You will be able to balance things very easily, okay. Then we have love, yeah, of course, meeting your soulmate, meeting your friends, connecting with your family, okay. Then we have birds, right, flying high, letting go of this negativity, okay. So yeah, you're becoming more positive, you're the one who is going to spread a lot of positivity to other people, okay. You're the light workers, I told you. A, T, F, maybe these are your initials, or maybe it's a word that needs attention. And you know, F, we don't have X, but I like that you can fix things, right. And we have D, you're the fixer, people come to you for advice, you fix things. Okay, let's see, I want to take more chances. Okay, yeah, stick to your plans. I feel like stick to your plans, don't give up on your goals, okay. That is what I feel like here with this charm right now. And we have number 6 again, look, 6 and 3. 3 is about connection with the divine, yeah, of course you're very connected to your divinity, okay. Lot of opportunities will pop up for you guys in love, in career. For some of you, I even feel like you will be collaborating with your friends, making a lot of friendships, or deep friendship also I'm feeling for you guys, okay. Then we, why so many words, there are so many charms inside, you're only getting letters. B and numbers, right, B, C and B, D, C, B, okay. Do we have any word here? Bat, yeah, bat. So it's like letting go of that negativity, right. Okay. Okay, let me, yeah, time. Yeah, everything will happen at the divine timing. Don't be so concerned about the time. Be patient. Okay. Oh, finally. Yeah. I told you. The wheel is in your hands. You can turn left if you want to turn left. You can turn right if you want to, because you are the magicians. Remember that. Yeah, keep on moving forward with your plans. Playfulness is important. Watch some comedy movies, enjoy life. Okay, for some of you, I feel like, yeah, again, enjoy life. Enjoy life. Be a childlike, get into this childlike energy. Yeah, let go of the past. Your past has, like, no need of this past hurt anymore. Let go of it. Don't take it with you. Yeah, music, for some of you, music is very important. Music helps you to relax, so use music. And then we have this dog, right, loyalty, lot of loyal people, lot of good support system, right, for you guys. And we have BC again. Okay, communication field, maybe news anchoring or something like that. If you're into that, I feel like you will get good place there also. It's a very specific message here. Okay, so yeah, that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Do lovelies. Hello, group number 3. If you choose this chakra pendulum, let's see what is your message, what is your next chapter of your life. So we have this charms also, so stay tuned. So next chapter of your life for group number 3. So we have fairy gratitude. There are going to be a lot of things you will be grateful for in your next chapter of your life, because for some of you, you have gone through a massive change, or you will go through, but I feel like you have already gone through a massive change at this time. When changes happen, sometimes it's not pleasant, and you will be like, why this happened, why this for some of you, you might have gone through a tower moment where things have been not so good, but you were asking spirit why this happened. But I feel like you will be very grateful for all the things that has happened to you, because it is for your own good. You will understand it later, and you will be very grateful for that. And for others of you, I feel like your crown chakra is you're receiving a lot of messages from spirit, so be grateful for that. Not everyone receive these kind of messages, so yeah, there is a lot of messages happening for you guys. So whenever you're confused, whenever you want guidance, sit with yourself, get into the stillness, meditate, you will receive all your answers, okay? And yeah, if you work with elements like fire, water, earth, air, go for it and do that, because that will work for you guys, okay? So yeah, this next chapter of your life is going to be very powerful. You are going to understand your own power, how powerful you are, how courageous you are, because I feel like you have gone through a massive change, or a tower moment that was not so pleasant. But for some of you, I feel like, yeah, we have Scorpio, the animal. You have gone through a massive spiritual awakening, like the snake, okay? What I was telling you. Okay, the snake. So with the snake, it's like the snake sheds the skin, right? So yeah, you are also in the process of shedding the skin, and when the snake sheds the skin, it's not so easy, right? It's not an easy process. So yeah, sometimes it will be very difficult, but you will make it through, and you will be very grateful for all the lessons you received, okay? So yeah, it's a major it's a rebirth for you guys. For some of you, I even feel like you were in this depression phase, and you're overcoming your depression, or a phase of your life that was not so pleasant. You're overcoming that and moving forward, okay? So yeah, that is what I feel like. So you have gone through like difficult times, you're overcoming that, and you will be very grateful for that, and you will be grateful for all the lessons that you have learned, okay? And because of this thing, you are getting more spiritual, you're taking your spirituality more seriously, okay? So yeah, there is a major transformation here for you guys. I'm getting some surgery for some of you. You might have gone through some surgery, or maybe some problems like related to health, and because of that, you have changed a lot. And because of that, you're becoming more spiritual. Maybe you were a person who used to party a lot, or used to drink a lot or smoke a lot. Maybe things happened, and because of that, you're changing that. You're changing your behavior, you're changing your pattern. So maybe for some of you, you are going to break a lot of habits that is not good for you. This next chapter of your life, you are going to do that for your own sake, for your own health, for your own mental health. Maybe letting go of that toxic friend group, or letting go of a toxic job or relationship, something that is toxic. You're ending it, you're moving into a new phase. And I feel like for some of you, it's your own toxic habits. Sometimes we have that habits, okay? Yeah, we all have that, right? So I feel like you're letting go of that. You're purifying yourself, detoxing yourself. For some of you, like regarding health, you're detoxing, right? You're finally planning to lose that weight. Like you're like, no, I don't want to. I want to start healthy diet, and you're going to start that. So yeah, a lot of things. You're letting go of a lot of things here. This next chapter, you are not going to be the same person. You're changing a lot of your habits, a lot of people around you. You know, you're letting go of a lot of people. You're taking a stand for yourself finally. And yeah, if you don't want to do something, I feel like you'll not be doing it anymore. And you'll be grateful for that. Wow, look, we have Raven. So I told you, crown chakra. You're receiving a lot of intuitive messages from the spirit during your dream time is very important, because I feel like you're getting a lot of messages. Maybe for some of you, you will receive a message through YouTube videos, right? Or maybe through friends. So yeah, you will know it when you will feel that, when you get that goosebumps, when you hear to certain messages and you feel like, yes, this is my message. Yeah, that is your message. Okay, so for some of you, it is your friends giving you messages. You're going to be very connected with the spirit, with the universe. You will receive a lot of messages for sure. Okay. So yeah, you're changing, you're transforming, you're changing your habits, you're breaking the pattern, you're healing yourself. That is what you're healing yourself. You're healing your past. You're finally moving forward. Okay, finally letting go of that things. You're surrendering. This next phase looks like you will be surrendering a lot of things. You will be letting go of a lot of things. Like this autumn phase, I'm getting where you're shedding your skin, you're shedding the leaves, becoming a new person. And yes, after autumn, like there will be spring season also, so things will bloom for you guys. So yeah, you're going to, so don't be afraid to surrender, don't be afraid to let go, and be grateful for all the things you have. I feel like you will be very grateful. Yeah, this happened because of that. I changed, right? Sometimes if we don't make that change, universe come and change it, right? For you guys, I feel like that. Or maybe you are the one who will change, but I feel like universe will put you through some situation where you will have to make that change, and later you will be like, thank God universe did that, thank God that happened, and because of that now I am feeling so good about myself. Yeah, oh wow, we have two of water. For some of you, it's like you're connecting with your higher self, you're connecting with your own soul, right? You were lost somewhere. Finally you're making that connection with yourself, you're connecting to your higher self, your energies are balancing finally. For some of you, it's like you're meeting your soulmate, you're having a good friendship finally, a good friendship, or maybe a good partner. Maybe, yeah, that is also quite possible. But for me, I feel like it's more about you are connecting with yourself. Sometimes we feel we feel like that we are not connected to ourselves. We always seek things outside of us, right? For love also, I feel like you guys used to do that. You used to seek love outside of you. Like, if you want some recognition, you used to seek that outside. Whatever you used to, yeah, sometimes we do that, but finally what you're going to do is to seek things out inside of you. You're connecting with yourself. You were so lost, but finally you are going to be you will not be lost. That is what I have to say. Like, you know what you want from life. You will know all your answers. Yeah, sometimes we feel like that we don't have any answers. We feel so void, like we don't know what we need to do. But I feel that is transforming for you guys. You are getting aligned. For some of you, it's like your divine masculine, divine feminine energies are getting balanced. You're getting balanced. That is what I have to say. Like, you're getting messages from spirit. You're like, yeah, this is the next step I need to do, right? Sometimes we don't know what we need to do, right? I feel the next chapter you will not be like that. You will have a good plan. Yeah, you will be like, yeah, I need to do this at this time, I will do this at that time. You will know what you need to do. Okay, yeah. For some of you, it's like a relationship, a new friend that will help you in this process. I also feel like that is also quite possible. For some of you, like meeting your soulmate, connecting with them. But definitely this is more about you were detached from your own soul. Now you're connecting back to your own soul. What you used to search outside of you, now you're searching inside of you, right? You are understanding that your happiness is within yourself, and that is what you're going to seek. Yeah, because for some of you, I even feel like you have gone through a Kundalini awakening or something like that, like major awakening. So it has been very tough on you, but definitely things are getting better. Okay, yeah. 4 of Swords and 6 of Swords, getting to a better place. With this 4 of Swords, you are healing. You're healing your past. You're healing. For some of you, it's your health that is healing. Your health is getting better. I do feel like something related to health. If your health has been not so good, your health is getting better, you're healing. For some of you, it's like your past wounds, past relationship, you're healing past relationship, your past, moving forward to a better place with the Six of Swords energy. So mentally, for some of you, depression, yeah, you're healing your depression, your heartbreaks, you're healing your heartbreaks, depression, anxiety. Maybe for some of you, you had panic attacks. Now finally you are, that is getting better. Like things are aligning for you guys. Okay, yeah. So things are good. Your mental health is getting better. Okay, yeah. And because you know your answers, your spirit is giving you messages. So yeah, that's why I feel like things are getting better. You are aligning with yourself. Clever. So you are okay. So yeah, again, you know, with this Two of Water and this with these two foxes, for some of you, yeah, I feel like there is a person coming. I'm getting a friendship, a strong friendship for some of you. It's going to happen, and you're going. I'm getting this romance for some of you. Some of you romance. Some of you like connecting with your own self, like connecting with your childlike energy, your inner child. Maybe you have. Sometimes we don't take care of our own inner child, right? So I feel like you will be taking care of that inner child. And for some of you, you are very afraid to get into a relationship, maybe. So be open to that also. Friendships, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a painful heartbreak. So that's why you are not so, you know, sometimes because of our past we feel like that we are not good for a relationship. Don't think like that. Let go of that feeling. Let go, release that is very important. I feel like you will be releasing lot of things. You're going to release lot of things, but good people are coming your way. That is what I feel with this card, with this fox. Okay, you will, you know, again we have this messages from the spirit, and look, solution to problems are easily found. So yeah, in the past you used to seek for solution outside of you. Now what you're going to do is seek solution inside of you. This next chapter, that is what is happening, and so you will have answers, and so you will know what you need to do next. Okay, so you're not going to be lost anymore. Okay, yeah, sometimes we feel so lost, but you're not going to be, because you're going to be aligned with yourself. Your health is getting better for sure, things are getting better for sure. Okay, and you're getting your answers. Okay, so your career, if your job wise, if you had problems, that is also getting better. It's getting better slowly it's getting better. I'm not saying that it will be very easy for you guys. I'm not saying that it will be very easy, but definitely it's getting better. Okay, that's the thing. Writing, okay, for some of you it's like journaling will help you release all the stuff. With this writing card, I'm getting that. Do journaling, guys. If you don't do that right now, buy a book, start writing your emotions. Whenever you feel some intuitive nudges, whenever you feel some messages are coming, just go and write it down. And the best way to release it, I feel, is like through journaling. Sit with yourself, whatever emotion you're feeling, write it down, give it to the spirit, give it to the universe, and burn it. Right, writing will help you. For some of you, you are very good at writing. That is also the message. So if you're into creative writing or something like that, go for it, do it. But more, I'm feeling this journaling vibe. So if you don't do that, start it now. Manifestation, start that. Use law of attraction, do that. Okay, but more is about releasing the thoughts, right? Writing it down, getting organized. Writing will help you a lot. Okay, yeah. So for you guys, it's like you're letting go of the past, you're surrendering. Your mental health, your physical health is getting better. You are getting better. You're not going to be lost anymore. So I feel like this pile has been so lost. You didn't know what you need to do next, or yeah, maybe because of your heartbreak, because of depression or something like that. But you're finally getting back together. You're like, everything was shattered, but now things are coming back together. Okay, yeah. So let's see the charms for you guys. Oh, romance. Yeah, for some of you, be open to the romance, because maybe for some of you, you will receive roses. And be yeah, we got this for timing card for like timing charm for group number 2 also. And I feel like that time for you guys, time is now. Be in the present moment. Don't think too much about future. Don't stress. We have this B letter. Oh, friendship. Yeah, soulmate connections, soulmate friendship, good friendship. Romance is also possible, but be open to romance. I feel like you might you might be not so open because of your past relationship. So be open, guys. We have BC here. Yeah, we are very protected. Yeah. Practice this mind, body, soul, right? Meditation will bring all the answers. Meditation will do wonders for you guys. Yeah, release, fix the thing. You know, sometimes we cannot fix that certain people. Don't try to fix anyone, or maybe you don't have to fix yourself. All you need to do is to let go and release the things that is not good for you guys. Okay. Yeah, maybe for some of you who have gone through a surgery or something, you will heal. You're healing. I'm getting that vibe. Something physical health. Yeah, something about health issues. I'm getting. You're healing that slowly. Yeah, you will have the energy back. Yeah, you're gaining that energy back. Yeah, a lot of changes with this dragonfly. You will adapt. You will overcome this thing. Okay. Yeah, you are going to overcome the situation. You're going to heal. Again, healing energy is there. And you don't have to carry everyone's responsibilities. You don't have to carry the weight of the world. Just take care of yourself right now. Okay. Yeah, you will move forward. Yeah, your fairies, you're very protected. Your fairies are there with you. You're guided. And let go of that negative belief system that you have about yourself. Don't be so caught up in this time. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if like time is an illusion, right? But I feel like many of them will not like that if I say that. But yeah, time is an illusion. But yeah, we always think about like, oh my god, time is going, time is flying, because I'm also one of that person. But yeah, time is an illusion, right? So be in the present moment. That is, it's very difficult, you know. I know that. I really know that, and I can understand that it's very difficult, but you need to practice that. Okay, so yeah, your next chapter of your life is like, whatever has been shattered, it's coming back together. If your health has been problematic, it's coming back together. If your relationships have been problematic, it's getting back together. If your mental health has been not so good, it's coming back together. If your career has been problematic, everything, whatever, if there was some problems, it's like it's okay, now you're getting back together. If whatever, you know, I feel like a glass that has been shattered into pieces, right? So yeah, things are coming back together. Yeah, the pieces are coming back together. That is what I feel like. You're coming back together. You're coming into life. You're connecting with yourself back. Healing. A lot of healing is going to happen for you guys. So that's it for my group number 3. Bye bye. Take care.